we were rudely prompted by COVID-19 in March of 2020 and effectively lost all the trade shows. So it was a definite do or die situation. But since we've been using digital darts, we've actually been able to expand our manufacturing capacity, move to a larger facility in about 23,000 square feet. And that's directly as a result of being able to increase and scale the marketing. My name is Jacob Rhodes, and I'm the owner and operator of Levi Hollow Tools. We operate under the TrueTrack brand of specialty woodworking tools. Being a product design engineer type person, I realized that for our company to grow long term, I have to continue coming up with new ideas, which is new products. And so I had to figure out a way to effectively take that off of my plate and not sacrifice quality. That's what led me to start looking for basically a digital marketing partner. At first, we had set the money aside to bring in a marketing intern, basically wireframed out the emails that we wanted, and we wanted to do an automated email system. Actually, I had gotten an email from Josh and realized that they had an email automation offering. And the pricing worked out to be within about $100 of what we had set aside for bringing in the marketing intern. And effectively, that's how we got started with Digital Darts. I believe it was July of 2020 was when we stepped right from the email project into dealing with Google Ads. In May of 2021, we started using Digital Darts for our Facebook advertising. The thing that has impressed me the most with Digital Darts as we've been working with them is the consistent professional attitude, the level of knowledge, the level of detail, the structure that they can put into the projects, the team there, effectively being able to set, hey, here's the target for what we want our Google Ads or Facebook or email marketing, and being able to set that kind of high level expectations and not have to worry about the exact execution. And that has happened absolutely flawlessly with Digital Darts. Over the last 18 months is roughly what we've been working with them. We've had around a 240% growth, basically top line revenue. Our number of transactions increased 84.5%. Our average order value increased 84.6%. And our overall traffic to the website increased 127%. If someone were considering Digital Darts and ask my opinion, I would say they have the ability to take what you're doing currently and scale it way beyond what your current skill set is.